back up, swims around. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Somewhere. There he is. The puffin. Hopping around in the water. Hi, puffin. Hi, cutie. He loves that water spraying on him. Look at him. So funny. Hey, puffin.
Okay, let's go.
There he goes. Dolphins and penguins. I don't know if there's any penguins in here, but there's puffins. There he goes again. He's so funny. Look at him. He's so funny. He is. Oh, so funny. He just goes round and round and round. Pops back up. Puffins over there. Puffins over there. It's right at the edge of the glass. There he goes again, that silly puffin. He's like, you got any food for me? Any food? So pretty. Okay, got turned off now.